the devil is such that the numericals in paper 1 are very easy for a chartered accountant perspective, right? So you think and then you see that these are so easy,
हो ही जाएगा बाद में
I
जाके.
will do that.
Yes.
But that does not happen because in exam you get that time crunch and then you have to solve those questions.
So muscle memory you need to develop. Like
you need to develop, you need to, चाहे न्यूमेरिकल आसान है चाहे मुश्किल है,
करके देखना है,
करके उसको एंड टू एंड हाथ से बनाना है ऊपर से लेके नीचे.
Hello everyone. So we have with us Mr. Lakshya Agarwal. He has got rank 164 in Civil Service Examination 2025 with a Commerce and Accountancy optional. He is a chartered accountant and he has been the topper of CA final, rank 4. And in his first attempt, he cracked the exam with in the reserve list. In the Commerce optional, he got 134 marks in paper 1 and 119 marks in paper 2. In the second attempt, he secured rank 164 and he got 135 marks in paper 1 and 130 marks in paper 2. So an improvement in paper 2 and almost same marks in paper 1. The purpose of this session is to discuss his experience with the optional preparation so far, how he has approached the optional so far and how he has got these many number of marks and what mistake he feels he has done and what suggestion he can give to you. So Lakshay, let's go paper wise. Paper 1 you are a CA, so how much did you rely on your CA resources or standard resources or coaching resources?
So sir, paper 1 was literally the same as in CA intermediate, apart from the one particular subject of FMI, right? So the course strategy was to play on my strength of numerical and to put in more effort in theory. So I did that in 2024 and on that
in 2024 you got 134 when the highest marks was 140 in all India.
So I think that played well because my numericals were my strength at that point also. And in theory I just wrote a few answers, did your material, etc. And क्योंकि time was of essence at
so
that
did you use your CA material? It's for those people who have done CA recently, so should they use the CA material, should they use some standard books, or they can rely on coaching material?
I don't think that CA material has that much of relevance in UPSC because in UPSC the syllabus is extremely vast and in chartered accountancy the content is extremely detailed.
Right.
So if
depth वहाँ पे ज़्यादा है.
So if you try to bring both of these things together, then
it will not work.
You will not have any time for GS.
Right.
And not even for paper 2.
Right.
Because if you are reading 200 pages just for taxation, जिसका weightage is around 10-15 marks, I don't think that makes.
और वो भी specific questions आते हैं, repetitive pattern है.
Yes,
mostly.
exactly. So I don't think that makes much sense. So I just did those numericals and those theory books. So I think that paid off well in 24.
तो sources में हम मतलब CA वाले sources को as a reference use कर सकते हैं, but primarily rely नहीं कर सकते.
So yes, CA वाला material I don't think has much relevance because it is detailed.
Right.
And, yes.
ठीक है. Now coming to numerical and theory. So CA में numerical पे ज़्यादा focus होता है, यहाँ पे theory में ज़्यादा focus होता है. So how did you do this balancing? और theory में आपने कैसे किया?
See, one should know what exam they are attempting for, right? If you see paper 1 maybe you have to attempt 150 marks के around का theory, right? So you should know that core paper is of theory.
Especially question 1 and 5 तो पूरा theory आता है.
Yes. और numerical उसका part है. तो आप उसको वैसे ही अप्रोच करें कि theory आपका main cake है, numerical is of course a very substantial part, but that comes later to theory.
Right.
तो पहला focus theory then numerical.
Right. और यहाँ पे न्यूमेरिकल में एक गलती जो लोग करते हैं बिकॉज कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं तो दे थिंक कि न्यूमेरिकल तो हो ही जाएगा. So what is your experience about this and how do you suggest?
I did this mistake in 2024 that not mistake as well because you have very limited time.
Actually,
so you have to prioritize.
Practically यही प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जीएस की वजह से हमारा टाइम बहुत शॉर्टकट होता है.
Yes, and even in commerce optional, since the content is so vast, you have to either go all in for the numericals, which will take up at least 1 week of yours in that crucial prelims and mains wala duration, or you will have to do it in between post your mains
right.
normal time mein. So I did that कि मैंने numericals को deprioritize किया in 2024. But I think that I paid that price that I scored just 134. In 2025, again the same thing happened because I didn't have much time to prepare.
So, like you didn't have much time, or somewhere you took it to be granted. Like
I think that worked subconsciously. कि I had this, you know,
कि पेपर है,
sense
ये
of
तो अपना
security.
अपना ही पेपर है.
Yes.
और GS में ज्यादा मेहनत करने की जरूरत है.
You feel like that is your turf, and not even GS. Even in optional, you think that I might as well prepare for paper 2 or might as well prepare for FMI.
Right.
And since the devil is such that the numericals in paper 1 are very easy for a chartered accountant
हाँ.
perspective, right? So you think, and then you see that these are so easy.
हो ही जाएगा बाद में
I
जाके.
will do that.
Yes.
But that does not happen because in exam you get that time crunch and then you have to solve those questions.
तो muscle memory you need to develop. Like
you need to develop. You need to, चाहे न्यूमेरिकल आसान है चाहे मुश्किल है,
करके देखना है.
करके उसको एंड टू एंड हाथ से बनाना है, ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक, तब जाके आई थिंक.
हम डेली आंसर राइटिंग प्रोग्राम चलाते हैं प्रीलिम्स और मेंस के बीच में, इंटेंसिवली होता है. सो व्हाट आई फाइंड इज कि पीपल आर नॉट टर्निंग अप एंड इट्स नॉट एनीवन्स फॉल्ट. इट्स लाइक वो इम्बैलेंस हो जाता है. तो यू विल सजेस्ट कि यार ये इम्बैलेंस नहीं होना चाहिए.
Certainly.
Right.
Even though that is idealistic, and that's what ideal that we should aspire.
Everyone knows it.
But certainly one should try to do it as much as possible. See, every subject, every paper in this exam is of 250 marks, and I think every paper deserves that same level of rigor and sincerity. Right.
और अच्छी बात यह है कि I think paper 1 of commerce is some paper which can give you the top.
It has extremely high ROI, and
right.
It, on the other hand, it can also demote you very badly if you don't take it for granted.
20-30 marks का ऐसे
yes
fluctuation
and 20-30 marks
you have scored still good marks. 135 is not bad score. Like this is above average I will say, going by the score that I have seen कि जो जिन इस बार रैंक जो आई है सबकी, उनका जो एवरेज स्कोर है दैट इज 134. योर्स इज 135 है ना. तो 134 में 150 भी मैंने मिलाया हुआ है, दो कैंडिडेट, एंड देन 149 एंड देन 147. तो मतलब इट इज गुड स्कोर, बट स्टिल यू आर रियलाइजिंग कि यार न्यूमेरिकल पे अच्छा फोकस नहीं होने के बावजूद इतना स्कोर आया, तो इट इज गुड. बट हाँ, न्यूमेरिकल पे काम करना है 150 प्लस जाने के लिए. पहले भी बहुत लोग आए हैं, माधव अग्रवाल के, जयंत गर्ग के, सुजावल जग्गा के, जिन्होंने 150 प्लस स्कोर किए, एंड definitely they have done very well in paper 1 at that time. In their respective attempt. तो paper 1 में और कुछ PYQs को आपको क्या लगता है, is PYQ sufficient, should we do more? PYQs का क्या किस perspective से देखना चाहिए?
I think when you are beginning the prep, or maybe see, firstly तो PYQs are the sine qua non, वो तो करना ही है, but उसके बाद I think you should see जो भी coaching का material है वो कर लो. I wanted to do CA वाले numericals also for selected topics like FM. I know I have to attempt FM का numerical.
आपने CA इंटर के मटेरियल से कुछ न्यूमेरिकल प्रैक्टिस किए थे?
प्रैक्टिस किए थे for FM only.
Right.
I wanted to do it for other subjects as well, but then I thought that I have choice in
time
first
crunch.
part.
Yes.
Choice, time crunch.
Prioritization.
So I was like कि maybe I will skip that. थोड़ा सा मैंने किया था, particularly for ratios, because you never know what adjustment pops up.
रेशियो में काफी ब्रॉड हो जाता है. राइट. पेपर 1 में और कुछ any other mistake or any other suggestion you would like to give?
I think theory neglect करना, of especially of part 1. You know, people still study FM and FMI.
Theory neglect करना और numerical भी neglect करना.
Yeah,
like,
you are at essence neglecting both, because you don't, you see, that is the tyranny of, I think, depth. Since this subject is so vast, one does not know where to focus, right? So we half-heartedly do some FM, FMI ka theory. We half-heartedly do numericals, and when the exam hits us, it takes up our marks just like that.
Right.
So I think that.
Paper 1 में जैसे आपने बताया कि आपका पेपर उतना अच्छा भी नहीं गया था, but still you scored 135. So what do you think what would have worked in this time?
I think I wrote very good theory.
Theory. Okay.
And
which subject especially?
I am saying that with utmost. Arrogance, that I wrote very good.
Your marks are.
I wrote very good theory in paper 1 because of the sheer fact that I dedicated enormous amount of time, even in exam, to theory. I remember I did. The clock was on 1 hour 15 minutes, and I had done only those question number 1 and 5, which is extreme.
Yes.
amount.
72 minutes maximum allowed होती हैं, अगर you
Yeah.
exceeded even that time.
I gave around 15 or plus. Even in the hang of it, I took it 1 hour 20 minutes. So I took 10 minutes extra, right? And I think I paid that price in numericals.
Right.
So
और अपने FMI का भी थ्योरी क्या था?
I did FMI का theory as well, and I did validation as well. Current examples जो हुए उसको डालना, right? थोड़ा सा presentation ठीक ठाक रखना, you know, spacing proper रखना. So I think I did that, and maybe that.
Did you do the daily answer writing between prelims and mains?
I wanted to do. I
you
wanted
didn't
to
do.
do. I could not.
It's fine. So that's required for muscle memory.
Certainly, that should be done.
That should be done.
I think that's the goal we should aspire for. And in numericals, I sincerely wish I did that. ताकि थोड़ा सा और
Right. Now coming to paper 2. Paper 2, you got 119 in attempt 1. And given the fact that you started your preparation in January 24, exam in September 24, you did prelims, mains, GS, everything. So it is 119 is average score. It's not below average, it's not above average. So that is one good thing. Then in this attempt also you scored 130.
yes.
And you devoted average time to the paper 2. You didn't do daily answer writing also.
not at all.
So what sources you followed, and what do you think would have given you 130? Like 130 is above average.
Yes,
it's not great score, but it's above average.
It's above average. And so coming to the sources, I think lack of time played on my strength in paper 2, because I didn't huddle around for multiple sources. I just did your books क्योंकि that was the only material I had.
Daddy Mayes का जो 4 books हमारी paper 2 की होती हैं.
Nothing else.
Right.
No validation, nothing. So I think I remember I bought that material
From the market.
in the market, not even from the institute. I got that in February 24, and I took one read of that subject
Before prelims.
And one read is nothing.
Yeah, it's
You don't even remember.
You just get an idea.
You don't even remember the content.
Right.
क्या था.
Right.
So I wrote all those 4 books because I didn't want कि prelims के बाद मुझे कुछ नया लगे.
Right.
You know,
एक बार तो हो जाए मेरे
उसमें मार्क पेन लगा हुआ है तो पता है कि कर रखा है. And I just learned that stuff, and I did just that material, nothing apart from that, not even PYQs, जो कि सिनेक बनाना जो करना ही चाहिए. And I got 119. This time around as well again, क्योंकि सिर्फ 80 दिन में आप कुछ नया नहीं कर सकते मेरे ख्याल से. So I just did that again, but this time I included PYQs as well. जो concepts repeatedly asked थे उनको और अच्छे से learn करा. ठीक है, थोड़ा thinkers जितने book में दिए थे, again nothing apart from the book, जितने thinkers book में थे at least वो तो tips पे थे. So I think that paid off.
Right. So what about your diagrams and new example, current affairs, all these things apart from books? मतलब और कुछ भी आपने like आपके पास time नहीं था या like you didn't feel the need of it?
नहीं, I didn't have the time.
Okay.
Because see, since this is a relative competition, everybody tries to get as much quote unquote competitive advantage
Absolutely.
they can possibly get. So whether that adds value or not, that's a separate question. But करना तो सभी लोग चाहते हैं. But I could not do it simply because time नहीं था. 1, 2, I thought कि I will rather do this material and master it rather than going around for other things. Because in paper 2 your muscle memory and your hitting the concept on the right nail works a lot. Right. जो diagram की बात करें तो I think I just did जो भी book में थे. Example थोड़ा बहुत Google मार लिया. थोड़ा बहुत I think.
और कुछ जो आपको लगता है कि करना चाहिए, like which can increase your marks, which could have increased your marks in paper 2 from 130 to 140?
Again, I think content consolidation in mains. This goes for every.
आपने notes बनाए थे अपने handwritten notes कुछ अपने कुछ short notes?
Only for that one last revision. Before the exam जो 1.5 घंटे में करते हैं. Only for that I made some like I think 10-20 pages के notes होंगे.
अच्छा, कुछ की concept के बनाए होंगे वो भी पूरे तो बन नहीं पाए होंगे.
पूरे तो बन नहीं पाए थे और पूरे की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ी because after a point you internalize things क्योंकि 2 attempt भी हो गए थे और since I just did those 4 books तो at least उस पे तो मेरा hold था.
You told me कि अभी सर वो पेज नंबर भी याद हो गए मुझे.
तो डिजाइन याद हो जाता है बुक का. राइट. तो वो था, तो आई थिंक दैट पेड ऑफ वेल, क्योंकि मटेरियल बहुत ही कम था, तो उसको रिप्रोड्यूस करना आसान हो गया।
ठीक है, फाइन। सो द पर्पस ऑफ दिस डिस्कशन इज नॉट कि यू नो देखिए, एक सर्वाइवरशिप बायस होता है, जो हम अभी बात कर रहे थे। वी ऑलवेज थिंक कि जिसके हाईएस्ट मार्क्स आए हैं उसकी क्या स्ट्रेटजी थी, लेकिन साथ साथ में हमें जर्नी देखनी होगी उन लोगों की जिनके एवरेज मार्क्स थे, अबव एवरेज मार्क्स बढ़े हैं, और उनकी क्या गलती रही है। तो लक्ष्य का जो हमारा डिस्कशन था, हमारा फोकस यही था कि एक्चुअली व्हाट वर्क, व्हाट डिड नॉट वर्क, एंड व्हाट ही विल सजेस्ट कि क्या करना चाहिए। तो हमने डिस्कशन काफ़ी किया है इस डिस्कशन में, छोटे से डिस्कशन में, प्रिसाइजली चीज़ों को हैंडल करने के लिए। तो लास्ट वर्ड्स, एनी लास्ट वर्ड्स लक्ष्य फ्रॉम योर साइड बिफोर वी रैप अप दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन?
I think again this goes for the entire mains, that this is the writing exam, not a learning exam, not a reading exam, not a knowledge gaining exam.
Sources are standard.
This is a writing exam.
Everyone knows what to write. Everyone knows, you know.
What most people don't do is they don't write at all.
And despite this discussion,
yeah, so
some people will write, some people will not write.
Yes, because intuitively what we think, you know, CBSE जो हम पढ़ के आते हैं, right? Even in chartered accountancy or even in graduation, we never have encountered an exam जहाँ पर writing है core skill.
Yes.
Right.
CA में भी बाद में जाके लिखते हैं, उससे पहले तो it's more about reading.
Very rarely.
हाँ, हमारे समय तो टेस्ट सीरीज भी नहीं हुआ करती थी, अभी तो टेस्ट सीरीज भी आ गई है वहाँ पे।
Even I never took test series in chartered accountancy, but I think UPSC CSE ही एक इकलौता एग्जाम है शायद भारत का कि जिसमें राइटिंग एक स्किल है अपने आप।
तो मसल मेमोरी डेवलप करनी होगी।
Yes. तो आई थिंक लिखना ही है भाई की। एज फार एज आई हैव टॉक्ड टू पीपल, आई हैव लर्नड अबाउट दिस एग्जाम इन दीज 2 attempts. So I think that's
okay. Wonderful. Lakshay, thank you for sharing your strategy.
It's an honor to be here, sir.
Unfiltered conversation हमने ये किया है, और unfiltered इसको रिलीज करेंगे, so that people know what is the background knowledge, आपका जो है real experience क्या है। Okay, thank you Lakshay.
Commerce and accountancy optional in UPSC is one of the top scoring optional. As per the latest UPSC annual report, it is also providing more than 12% success rate, which is way higher than many other optionals. We are providing many free initiatives on commerce optional for the beginners. You can join our Telegram channel, and you should follow our YouTube beginner series by the toppers and the teachers. You can also schedule one-to-one mentoring call with me to plan your strategy for the commerce optional. Our courses on the commerce include classroom course, enriched study material, detailed solution of the previous year questions, and the daily answer writing mock test and practice. We are also adding the value through value additions.